Hello everyone. Imagine this. It's 2 a.m. Your exam is tomorrow. You're staring at your notes, heart racing. You read the same page 5 times, and still, nothing sticks. You panic. Why do I always forget everything? Sound familiar? Yeah, I know that feeling too well. But listen, what if I told you, in 2026, you can actually remember almost everything you study? No more cramming all night. Stick with me. Today I'm sharing real memory hacks that actually work. These changed my game when I was in your shoes. Let's fix this together. Now, let me tell you a quick story. Meet Rahim, a boy from Jessore, just like many of you. Rahim was smart, but every exam felt like torture. He studied hard for English vocabulary and history dates. Morning, he memorized 50 words. By evening, gone. He felt stupid, burned out, procrastinated even more. One day, his older cousin saw him frustrated. Rahim, stop fighting your brain, use it smarter. That cousin taught him a few simple tricks. Rahim started small. In just weeks, he remembered names, formulas, even long English sentences. His marks jumped, stress dropped, he slept better. The secret? Not more hours, better methods. And friends, these same methods can work for you too. Let's dive in. First hack, visualization and crazy associations. Remember how boring lists feel? Your brain loves pictures and weird stories. Science says we remember images and emotions way better than plain facts. It's how our ancestors survived. Real example, I used to forget phrasal verbs, like put up with. Now I picture my strict teacher putting up a big umbrella in rain while shouting, "I can't put up with this noise." Crazy? Yes, but I never forgot it again. Quick steps you can do today. 1. Take any fact. Say, photosynthesis needs sunlight, water. Code 2. 2. Make a wild image. A photo of a sun, wearing sunglasses, drinking water, while eating a big CO2 balloon. Listen, I know you feel down sometimes when things slip away, but your brain is powerful. It just needs fun pictures. You got this. Next, the memory palace method of loci. This one's ancient, but golden. 2026. Science reason. Your brain is amazing at remembering places and routes. Spatial memory is super strong. Example, to remember shopping list or exam points. I use my house in Jessore. Front door equals first point, kitchen equals second. Steps to start right now. 1. Pick a familiar route, your room, to kitchen, to bathroom. 2. Place items to remember, in spots, make them huge and funny. 3. Walk through mentally, to recall. Try it tonight, with 5 English words. Walk your home, in your mind. You'll be shocked how well it sticks. I get it, you feel overwhelmed with so much to remember, but once you build one palace, everything feels easier. You're not alone. 3rd, active recall. Test yourself hard. Stop reading notes. That's passive and weak. Science. Retrieving info from your brain strengthens connections way more than highlighting. Studies show it beats cramming every time. Real life. Before bed, close the book. Write what you remember about today's chapter. ROM, check and fix. Quick actions today. 1. After studying 20 minutes, hide notes. 2. Ask yourself questions out loud. What are the 3 main causes? 3. Use free apps like Anki. If you want, a paper works too. Listen, that moment when you blank out hurts, But every time you force recall, you're building real power. You're stronger than you think. Fourth, spaced repetition. Review smart, not long. Don't cram, space it out. Science. The forgetting curve drops fast at first, but reviewing, just before you forget, locks it in forever. Example. Learn vocab day 1, review day 2, day 4, day 10, 1 month, boom, long-term memory. Steps to do today. 1. Make a simple list, or flashcards. 2. Review today, tomorrow, then every few days. 3. Mark what you forget, review those more. This fights burnout, because sessions stay short. I know the fear of forgetting English grammar rules keeps you up, but with spacing, those rules become automatic. You deserve that peace. Quick summary. Top 3 takeaways. 1. Use crazy images and associations for fast stick. 2. Build a memory palace for lists and sequences. 3. Active recall plus spaced repetition for unbreakable long-term memory. Bonus tip: combine them. Put active recall inside your palace. Test yourself while walking the route. Super powerful. Listen carefully. You're not broken, you're just using old study ways. In a new year, 2026 is your time. Start with one hack tonight, maybe the crazy picture for tomorrow's lesson. Watch how your confidence grows. No more all-nighters. No more panic. Just steady wins. You've already taken the first step by watching this. Now take the next one. If this helped even a little, smash that like button. It really motivates me to make more. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a hack that can change your marks. In the comments, write which technique you'll try first: visualization, palace, active recall. I read every one and reply. Share this with your friend who's struggling too. You might change his exam life. You've got the tools now. Go remember everything. I'm proud of you already. See you in the next video. Take care.